Many people think automatic cars are easier to drive and maintain than manuals, and to be fair, they are. But that simplicity comes with a price, if you're not careful. You see, thousands of drivers are unknowingly killing their automatic transmissions every single day, not by crashing or racing, but through tiny, everyday mistakes. Some of these habits can cost you thousands of dollars. Others, they can leave you stranded on the side of the road without warning. But here's the scary part. Most drivers don't even know they're doing anything wrong. So in this video, we're exposing the most dangerous mistakes people make with automatic cars, and a final bonus tip that could save your transmission from total failure. 1. Driving through deep water. It looks harmless. A flooded street after a storm, maybe just a few inches deep. You think, I'll be fine. But under that calm surface hides a car killer. You see, automatic transmissions aren't sealed tight like submarines. They have vents, tiny openings meant to release internal pressure. On SUVs and four-wheel drives, these vents are usually high up, safely out of harm's way. But on regular sedans and compact cars, they sit low, dangerously low. The moment those vents touch water, it's game over. Water slips in and contaminates your transmission fluid. That bright red lubricant, it turns into a thick, milky sludge. And here's where it gets ugly. This sludge doesn't just reduce performance. It eats away at the glue that holds your clutch packs together. In just a few hours, those critical plates begin to break down. And draining the fluid, that won't save you. Once the damage is done, slipping gears and total transmission failure are just around the corner. This isn't just bad luck. It's a repair that can run into the thousands. So next time you see a water-covered road and think about pushing through, don't. Because oil and water don't mix, and neither do deep puddles and automatic transmissions. 2. Dashboard lights. Most drivers glance at a dashboard light and shrug. But those little icons, they're not suggestions. They're your car's way of screaming for help before it's too late. Let's start with the one most people ignore, the transmission temperature light. If this flashes, your transmission is overheating right now. That means your fluid is breaking down, lubrication is failing, and metal parts are grinding. Let it keep going, and you could be looking at a full rebuild. Then there's the check engine light. It's vague for a reason. It covers everything from a loose gas cap to a transmission on the edge of collapse. Ignore it, and you might miss the warning signs until you're stranded. But the most dangerous? The oil pressure warning light. If this comes on, your engine isn't getting the oil it needs. Every second counts. Without oil, your engine starts tearing itself apart, and total failure isn't a possibility, it's a guarantee. So when those lights flicker on, don't pretend they're not there, because what starts as a harmless glow could be the first sign of a disaster that leaves you stuck on the side of the road, or with a repair bill that wipes out your savings. 3. Idling too long in drive? You're sitting in traffic, maybe waiting for someone in a parking lot. The engine's running, your foot's on the brake, and the gear, still in drive. Seems harmless, right? But here's what most drivers don't realize. While you're idling, your transmission is still fully engaged, and that means it's still working and still heating up. Even with cooling fans spinning, that steady heat builds up fast. The longer you sit, the hotter your transmission fluid gets. And once that fluid starts to break down, it stops protecting the gears inside. You're not just idling, you're slowly cooking your transmission from the inside out. Over time, that heat accelerates internal wear. Seals start cracking, clutches begin slipping, and before you know it, your once smooth shifts turn jerky. Or worse, your car refuses to move. So here's the rule. If you're stopped for more than 30 seconds, shift into neutral, or better yet, just turn the engine off. It's a small move that could save you thousands and keep your transmission from dying a slow, overheated death. The one button most drivers ignore, the handbrake. You park your car, shift into P, and walk away without a second thought. But here's what you didn't see. Deep inside your transmission, a tiny metal claw called the parking pawl just caught the full weight of your car. That little piece, it's smaller than your finger. And yet, every time you park on an incline without the handbrake, you're trusting it to hold thousands of pounds in place. Problem is, it wasn't built for that. The parking pawl's job is to lock the transmission, not to fight gravity on a hill or stop your car from rolling in heavy winds. Over time, that strain causes wear, and eventually, it fails. When that happens, your car might roll, even while in park. It takes just 1 second to pull the handbrake, but skipping that simple step, that's how transmissions break without warning. So next time you park, don't ignore the one button that could protect your gearbox and your safety. 5. Turning off the engine before putting it in park. It's late, you're in a hurry. So you turn off the engine and only then shift into park. Seems harmless, but that one lazy move, it's quietly putting strain on one of the most sensitive systems in your car. While some modern vehicles won't even let you remove the key unless you're in park, plenty still allow it. And each time you shut off the engine before shifting, you disrupt the connection between the torque converter and the transmission's internal components. This doesn't cause instant failure, but over time, that split-second misstep creates tiny stress points inside the gearbox. Eventually, they add up. So here's the fix. It's simple. Always shift into park first, then turn off the engine. It's the kind of habit you'll barely notice until it saves you from a repair bill that runs into the thousands. 6. The lifetime fluid lie that's killing your transmission. You've probably heard it from your dealer. This transmission fluid is lifetime. You never need to change it. But here's the truth. That's not maintenance advice. It's marketing. Inside your transmission, gears grind at high speeds, clutches engage under pressure, and friction generates intense heat. Over time, even the best transmission fluid breaks down. It collects metal shavings, loses its protective properties, and turns into a gritty, ineffective mess. And if you never change it, that sludge keeps circulating, wearing down your transmission from the inside. Think of it like this: running a marathon with no water. You might keep going for a while, but eventually something breaks. To avoid that disaster, change your transmission fluid every 50,000 miles. 7. The $3,000 shift you didn't know you were making. You're in a hurry, backing out of a spot, then quickly shifting into drive while the car's still rolling. It saves you 2 seconds, but could cost you $3,000. Older transmissions aren't built to handle that sudden jolt. When you switch from reverse to drive, or vice versa, without stopping, you slam gears together that weren't ready to engage. The result? Instant shock to the transmission's core, metal on metal, stress on shafts, and over time, total failure. Newer cars are smarter. They'll delay the shift until your speed drops to 0. But that's not a safety net you should rely on. Systems fail, and if yours doesn't catch it, you're back on the hook for a transmission rebuild. The fix is simple. Come to a full stop, then shift. Because in the world of automatic transmissions, fast hands and rolling wheels make for very expensive mistakes. 8. Leaving the car and drive at stoplights. You pull up to a red light, foot on the brake, gear and drive. The car is still, but your transmission isn't. Inside, the torque converter is still spinning, still generating friction. And that friction, it's turning into heat, fast. On a hot day, that heat builds like wildfire. In just minutes, your transmission fluid can spike by 50 degrees or more. Every extra degree thins the fluid, weakens protection, and pushes your transmission closer to failure. Most drivers have no idea it's happening, but over time, that hidden heat takes its toll. The solution? Shift into neutral. It's a simple habit, one flick of the lever, but it relieves the pressure, drops the temperature, and gives your transmission the brake it desperately needs. Do it at every long stop. 9. The one fuel mistake that can cook your car from the inside. Running low on gas. Most drivers shrug it off. I've still got a few miles left. But every time you run your tank near empty, you're not just risking a stall. You're slowly destroying one of the most important parts of your car, the fuel pump. Here's what most people don't realize. The fuel pump sits inside the tank and it's cooled by the gasoline itself. No fuel, no cooling. And when that pump runs dry, especially in traffic or on a hot day, it starts to overheat fast. But the damage doesn't stop there. At the bottom of your fuel tank is a layer of debris, grit, rust, sediment, all the stuff that settles over time. When you're running on fumes, that junk gets sucked straight into your fuel lines, clogging filters and choking your engine's performance. Want to keep your engine smooth and your fuel system alive? Simple rule, never let your tank drop below a quarter full. because what seems like a harmless habit could end with you stranded or facing a repair bill that burns more than just fuel. 10. The innocent habit that's slowly wrecking your transmission. You're cruising down the road, hand casually resting on the gear shifter. It feels natural, even comforting. But beneath your fingertips, you're quietly wearing down your transmission. That gear selector isn't just a lever. It's connected to a series of precision linkages and internal components that control how your car shifts. Even a small amount of constant pressure can throw those parts out of alignment over time. You won't notice the damage right away, but months or years of this habit can lead to subtle wear that builds up silently, until one day your shifter feels loose, gears hesitate, or worse, your transmission starts to slip. The fix? Simple. Keep your hand off the shifter unless you're shifting. It's one of the easiest ways to protect a system that costs thousands to repair, and yet it's a mistake most drivers make without even thinking. 11th, launching like a race car? That's a transmission killer. The light turns green, you slam the gas, the engine roars, the tires grip, and for a second, it feels great. But your transmission? It's screaming. Launching hard from a full stop isn't just aggressive driving, it's a direct hit to your car's most critical components. Engine mounts strain, suspension parts flex, and inside the gearbox, gears slam into action under full load over and over again. Do it enough, and the wear adds up fast. Rubber mounts tear, bushings crack, clutches slip. Eventually, your once smooth automatic becomes a jerky, unreliable mess. Or worse, a multi-$1,000 repair waiting to happen. Want your transmission to last? Ease into the throttle, especially at stoplights, because speed off the line might win you a second, but it could cost you your car. 12. Towing too much weight. It starts with good intentions, hauling a trailer, a boat, maybe helping a friend move, but if you're towing more than your car was built to handle, you're playing with fire. Every vehicle has a maximum towing capacity, and when you exceed it, even just a little, your transmission takes the hit. Without a dedicated transmission cooler, the fluid inside starts to overheat almost instantly. So before you hitch up and hit the road, know your limits. Check your manual, stick to the numbers. Bonus tip: the sunlight mistake. That's slowly killing your transmission. Most drivers think the sun only ruins their dashboard or makes their seats unbearably hot. But the real damage? It's happening under the hood, silently. When you leave your car parked in direct sunlight for hours, heat seeps into every component, including your transmission system. That constant heat exposure dries out seals, weakens gaskets, and breaks down transmission fluid much faster than normal. What starts as a little extra warmth eventually leads to delayed shifts, sluggish acceleration, and early failure. And it doesn't stop there. Paint fades, headlights haze over, and tires start cracking from UV exposure. But here's the good news. The fix is simple. Park in the shade. Use a windshield sunshade. Cover your car when you can. These tiny steps protect not just your interior, but the health and longevity of your transmission.